Hi, Edgar. My name's Christian. I'm with RenGen SEO. We are a digital marketing agency. Just wanted to shoot this quick video for you, give you some free tips and tricks you can use on your own to increase your online presence. Contrary to popular belief, a website can actually bring you leads in and of itself without paying outside lead services like Zillow and Realtor.com, just to name a few, HomeLight, Trulia. And the website that you have that's yours can actually, the leads are going to be exclusive. So they're not going to be sent out to multiple different, realtors, or you're not going to be competing because they're going to have found you through search engines, Google in particular, through your website. And so, I obviously, you do have a Facebook page here, so you do understand the importance of being online. But I did find, I used your website, which is right here. So I used this link here, which took us over to this lifestyle page. And so we're going to use this as an example today. So here's the deal. So three things we're going to talk about: content, citations, and backlinks. The first is content. Content is king. Search engines love content. The more you have, the better. The minimum number of words you want on any page you're trying to rank is 1,500. Also, content isn't just the words on your website. It's also the photos, what's behind the photos, how the photos are saved, alt tags and meta descriptions and site titles, so on and so forth. And so this is your, I know this isn't yours. This is probably the brokerage's website. So I'm sure there's probably not much you can do. But if you had your own, you'd be able to do whatever you want. But just take this information and give it to whoever you want, or run with it, or make your own website, which I would highly suggest. But either way, you want to have 1,500 words minimum, and you guys actually have very little content on your website. So you do have a lot of photos and nice water shots, and you do have some good photos, but you have hardly any content. So the thing is, you want to have 1,500 words minimum. So I would suggest maybe having a buyer's page, seller's page, and in both of those pages, have 1,500 words minimum. Also, keep in mind that search engines like Google read how you save your photos. So a lot of times photos are saved as like random numbers and letters because that's what the computer came up with. You're going to want to delete that, and you're going to want to save your photos as buyer intent keywords. So like somebody types in realtors in Miami, right? You're gonna want your page to pull up for that. Or looking to buy a home in Miami, you want your website page to pull up for that. Well, if you notice, I typed in Miami real estate agents, and you guys aren't here. So your website's not here on the first page, and I don't believe it's on the second page either. So I'm not sure that website's actually bringing you any value at all whatsoever. But the next thing I'm going to talk about is citations, which is anywhere that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories. Those directories would include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp, just to name a few. And so those directories are going to give you citations, and they're going to bring you up in this map pack. So I typed in Miami real estate agents. First of all, your website's not here anywhere. So it's not doing you any good, not bringing you any leads from that, which there are hundreds of volume for that term. But then also, as you can see, we got Miami Real Estate Agency, Miami Realty Solutions, Catherine Rodstein, real estate agent. So she's an agent who's actually pulling up. And then if we go even further, we got let's see here, Lauren Hershey, Amy Stanley, Gary Hens, Jack Coden. See, so even though you may not be the owner of this brokerage you're working for, you can get your name as a specific agent on this map pack, and that has to do with citations. And believe it or not, these guys are bringing in some dough from this. So from being here. The last thing is backlinks. So you have some kind of thing going on where like it's just your name with the Lifestyle International Realty. So pretty much once you get your own domain, or if you had your own domain, you're going to get backlinks. And what a backlink is anywhere that your domain is at. So yours is actually, when you click on it, it's not just Edgar.com. It's got all these links and different, numbers and letters and stuff behind it. So it's actually probably providing you no value whatsoever. But basically, when you get your own domain, you get backlinks from that domain. You have no backlinks from no referring domains. You're not ranking for any keywords, which means that nobody's finding your website at all. So unless they go on your Facebook page and click that button to come here, they're not finding you anywhere. So pretty much, yeah, that's not bringing you much value. Either way, what a backlink is anywhere that your domain is at. So obviously your domain is not in very many places. You're going to want to get your domain out there once you do get your own website, if you do. And just remember that not all backlinks are created equal. So you want your backlinks coming from sites that are relevant and sites that are not spammy. Otherwise, they're going to harm you. So, but you have no backlinks now. Either way, I hope this video finds you well. I hope that you can find the time to implement these tips and tricks into your website, or get your brokerage to, or get your own website, you know, if they don't want you changing yours. Because I know that because this isn't yours, you probably can't do much with it, but I'm not sure how much value it's bringing you either. Either way, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to get in touch with us, feedback, and thank you very much for watching and your service. I was in the Army too, so all right.